found a tiny friend. But it seems he is deceased. R.I.P. little lizard. Please don't haunt me. So we are aboard the catamaran that we are getting, and I don't know if you can hear him, it's a little loud. He's power washing and I am cleaning the inside, and yeah, we're just really excited. Excited to get her cleaned up so we can get her moved. Well, excited to get her cleaned up so that we can get her moving, and then we can get her moved to our marina. Right now she's at the owner's house still in their lagoon. They said absolutely just keep her in the canal behind the house until you're ready to go. We said easy peasy. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun process. We're gonna spend a couple weekends getting her ready to go, and then we'll go. We've got a lot to do. We're excited to do it. We get to bring her back to Happy Boat, and we get to live out her dreams and our dreams and the former owner's dreams of just making her the catamaran that can go anywhere she wants. Let's go. So we are, within walking distance to our marina, but we still have about 2 hours to get there because we have to wait for this drawbridge. And then further out that way, there is a lock and then another drawbridge. But yeah, we're very close to our marina, but we have the boat and we're ready to get going on making her what we need her to be, for living on and cruising and doing adventures and just living the life we want to live. We just have to get through this drawbridge. And it's going. And so are we. So we made it into the slip. I didn't get any footage of us getting in, coming through the lock, going through the other bridge, simply because I didn't have enough hands. I still don't have a stand for my phone. Just any excuse you want to hear. But she's in a slip that's a little bit too big for her right now, just because that's the only slip we have at the marina that she can even fit in. But she's in. We're hoping to get a slip freed up fairly soon that she might fit into a little easier, and then we'll be able to work on her a little easier, load her up, get the dog on, and just do everything, make her pretty. So, we've just been vacuuming out water from the boat. It's not sinking. It wanted to, but made a really poor effort. It's really interesting. It always sat very aft heavy, like just nose out of the water, all the way, like just trying to do a wheelie, just sitting still. So we figured out that it was getting water inside because it was dry when we left and it's wet again. So there it's wet.
And that is our problem.
That was in the way.
Yeah. So that was filled up with 100 gallons of water.
Which is a significant amount of water.
Just a little bit.
For not being in a water tank.
Yeah. So the chain plates in the back apparently go below the water line, especially when you're under power. And the third bolt down from the top on the chain plate, let me see. Let's see here. Okay, you see the rough spot? Yeah, she be leaking there.
Is that not ideal?
I don't know if that's how it was designed, but that's not how I would design it. I mean, I do yacht repair. I don't do yacht engineering, but it doesn't seem like a great idea to have a leaking chain plate bolt below the water line.
You've heard it here first.
Oh well. I'm gonna have to do some work here because this bulkhead's rotted right there. Hopefully it's not rotted too bad. Hopefully I can just do a partial bulkhead, but we'll find out. All right, on to the next hole.
That's a weird thing to say.